Hello everyone. Welcome to Raster. Today I will show you how to create a topographic wetness index in ArcGIS. So let's get started. So let me add a temp file into my ArcGIS. Go to that section, add data, click the temp file and add. So this is the temp file I downloaded from USGS. So let's proceed towards topographic wetness index. So let us go to the search section. So type flow direction. So click the flow direction spatial analyst. So now input your DEM file. In input surface raster. This is my DEM file. So let me select the output location. So this is my output location. Let me name as a flow direction. So save, click OK. So this is our flow direction raster. So let's proceed further. Go to the search section, enter flow accumulation. So click the flow accumulation spatial analyst. So now input your flow direction raster. So in this case, I will input as a flow direction raster this file. So flow direction. Let me choose an output location. Let me name as a flow accumulation. Save. Now click OK. So this is our flow accumulation raster. So now again go to the search section, enter slope. So click the slope spatial analysis tool. So enter your DEM file. So let me enter my DEM file. So let me click the degree. So let me choose my output location. Name it as slope. Now save. Now click OK. So this is a slope raster. So I think it is some kind of an error. Let me redo the slope map. So let me remove this. You go to the search section, click the slope spatial analysis. Now input your DEM file. Okay. So let me click OK. So this is our slope map. So now let's get to the raster calculator. Go to the search section, enter raster calculator. Raster calculator. So click the raster calculator spatial analysis. Now click the slope slope raster, double click it. So now into 1.570,796 divided by, so let me click this number, divided by 90. Let me add some brackets. Now select the output location. Let me click as so let me save as a raster calculator. So now save. Click OK. So this is our raster calculator, raster. So now let me rename as a raster slope. So again, go to the raster calculator. So go to the search section, raster calculator, spatial analyst. Let me click the raster slope. Now enter this recipe formula. Now select the output location. Name it as a tan slope. Now click save. Now click OK. So we have the tan slope raster. So the next step is again go to the raster calculator. Click the flow accumulation raster plus 1, enter the brackets. So plus, we need to enter the cell size. Let me check the cell size. Go to the source section. You can see the cell size. So let me copy the cell size. Control C. Now paste the cell size. So I have made a mistake. Let me convert this plus sign into a multiplication symbol. So enter multiplication symbol. So let me save the output location. Let me save as flow accumulation 1. So click OK. So this is the flow accumulation raster. So we are proceeding towards our final step to arrive at topographic wetness index. Go to the raster calculator, search section, raster calculator. Now go to enter LN. From here search LN, this one, double click. Now let me enter the flow accumulation 1, this file, double click it. So divided by our tan slope, this raster, double click. So let me choose my output file location, enter as topographic TWI, topographic wetness index. Let me save this. So let me click OK. So this is our topographic wetness index. The lowest value is around -1 and highest value is around 7. So now let me go to the symbology section. Go to the properties, go to symbology, classified. So let me use as 5 classes. Apply, click OK. So let me turn off other layers. So this is our topographic index, topographic wetness index. So in the next video, I will show you how to automate your work for this topographic index using Model Builder. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the Raster.